After living here for a month, I'm finally going to the Asian supermarket. Out of the entire store, look, Singaporean stuff gets like 2 shelves. Time to whip up a stir fry, do you know what I mean? These flavors, I missed it so much. And here we are, stir-fried noodles with gochujang chicken. So guys, after living here for a month, I'm finally going to the Asian supermarket. I'm super excited because like I've literally just been eating like pasta every single day, if I'm being completely honest. So yeah, I actually bought like sesame oil and soy sauce from like a regular supermarket, but there are a lot of things that I can't get from a regular supermarket, especially gochujang. So yeah, I just wanted to get that. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Look guys, they even sell woks. Time to whip up a stir fry, do you know what I mean? Out of the entire store, look, Singaporean stuff gets like 2 shelves. So I have just left the supermarket. It's called huang. I went to them because like they do carry like quite a lot of stuff. They do a lot of like Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Thai, and I did see like quite a bit of Vietnamese stuff as well. So I think they do have quite a good range. It was really nice actually, like one of the poshest Asian supermarkets I've been to, I would say. So yeah, it was actually really nice. Fall is coming. So here's what I got. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. I got like a whole bunch of stuff here. The staff were actually really friendly. Yeah, you can see that bag of tau kin noi. They were selling it for like 70 cents, like for 1 stick. But I've never like bought a stick before. Like I've always just bought like the whole box of it, which is usually like, I don't know, 8, 9 or something. And I asked the lady because they were speaking Mandarin to each other. I was like, 这是买一包的还是什么? And then she was like, 这是买一个一个的，但是如果你需要这全包，我就帮你打个9折. I was like, sure. And she gave me like a discount card, like you know the one where you like stamp every time you go. So yeah, apparently like I'll get more discounts. Like they knew. They were like, oh, if this guy is gonna get like a whole bag of like the seaweed rolls, like he's gonna come back. And I just bought like rice noodles because the rice was pretty expensive, I would say. Like the 5 kg bag of like Royal Umbrella was, I think, almost 20 euros. So I was like, oof. I mean, let me know where to get rice without needing to take a small bank loan. So yeah, I just bought rice noodles and I'm going back to like a regular supermarket, like an Albert Heijn or something, just to get like meat. And then once I'm done, I think I'm pretty much sorted for the night. So it's time to cook like my first proper kind of Asian meal. These are the raw materials that we're going to be beginning with today. So the thing is that these noodles, it says like bar and fen, but is one enough? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Time to marinate the chicken. Look at this. Oof. It's gonna be so good. Oh, the noodles are boiling now. Actually, now that I look at it, it is quite a lot. Next step, soy sauce. A bit of hoisin sauce. Into the pan we go. And here we are. Stir-fried noodles with gochujang chicken. Bon appetit. Oh, these flavors, I missed it so much. Chef's kiss. So I'm going to go get my hair cut for the first time since I came to Belgium. It has been 2 months since my last cut, so God knows I need it. Let me just tell you what I'm going through right now. So tomorrow we have an exam about like statistics and research, and I have to know about SPSS and all these things, and all these things are so alien to me. I had to like really get help from my classmates because I was so lost in class. Like if you saw me in class, you would laugh. So yeah, I have joined the headphones gang. Hello! Got me a haircut. Did a good job in it. Mr. Hondo is really nice and like really friendly, and apparently I'm the first student from Singapore that he's had as a client, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, back to the headphones. So I went to Fnac because it's in the city center, so it was easier, and I wanted to get a pair of headphones, and I saw that they were cheaper at MediaMarkt, so I went all the way down to MediaMarkt, and I wanted to get the JBL Tune 660 or something like that, and they didn't have it. Basically, a lot of it was out of stock. Apparently there was like a 20th anniversary sale the week before, so yeah. But the thing is that because MediaMarkt in Ghent is not in the city center, so I had to take a bus, change buses, like go down south. So when he was like, yeah, if you want you can maybe like order online, I was like, I'm not leaving this store without a pair of headphones. So I asked him to recommend like something similar for the quality, same price. So he recommended me this Sony. So Sony it is. While I was waiting for the bus just now, there was like I felt like an insect on my thumb here, and then I pulled it out and I just saw like a bee. And immediately I felt the bee sting. I mean, honestly, look at it, it's gonna swell. What is my life, honestly? I'm just using a bowl of yogurt just for a cold compress now because I don't even have a freezer, therefore I don't have an ice pack. But yeah, anyway, so on the haircut thing, I wanted to find a Korean salon here, but I couldn't find any in Belgium. And I looked up like ones in Amsterdam and Paris, and I actually found them. And I was planning to just do trips out there like over like a weekend, you know, get my haircut at the same time. But it just got too long and really unbearable, so I was like, do you know what? There is a Japanese salon here in Ghent, I'm gonna go to it. So yeah. But I actually think it turned out quite nicely. And there is a student price as well, so it was 30 euros, so it was not too bad for a cut. I think I might actually like make this my salon for the year. It turned out well, so I'm happy. Except for the fact that I got a random bee sting while at the bus stop. What? Honestly, my life is a sitcom sometimes. So here's your boy with his haircut. So I'm actually going back to Mr. Honda, because I don't know if you guys can see here, but like this part, I'm just worried about the way that it'll grow out. Like it's really long and thick here as well, and it's fine now, but like when it grows out it's going to be like a bit unmanageable, I think. So I texted Mr. Honda yesterday, and he was actually really lovely, to be fair. He was really nice, and he said like, yeah, I can adjust that for you, just come by again. So this morning I had the exam, let's not talk about that. But yeah, I'm just going to get this adjusted now, but aside from that, really nice. So, and got it snipped, so you can see it's going to be way tidier when it grows out now, so that's good. Now he's ready for the weekend. But yeah, thanks for watching. So if anyone wants to get like an East Asian style cut, or maybe not even, like just like a good cut, I would definitely recommend. Not sponsored, but yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.